In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a video to Google Drive. This process is straightforward and really convenient for storing and sharing your multimedia files online. Let's dive right into it. To begin with, you want to open up your web browser and navigate to the Google Drive website at drive.google.com. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to enter your Google account credentials. This is the same account you use for services like Gmail or YouTube. Once you've logged in, you'll see your Google Drive dashboard, which acts as the central hub for all the files you've saved in the cloud. Next, locate and click on the New button, typically found on the left-hand side of your dashboard. This button is your gateway to adding new files and folders to your Google Drive. When you click on New, a drop-down menu will appear with several options. You should select the File Upload option from this menu. This action will open a file browser on your computer, enabling you to navigate to the directory where your video is saved. Once you find your video file, click on it to select it, then hit Open. Doing so will initiate the upload process, which might take a few moments, depending on the size of your file and the speed of your internet connection. You'll see a status bar in the bottom right corner of your screen that indicates your upload's progress. Be patient during this step. As your video uploads, it's important to keep the browser window open and not to close it. If you close or refresh the page, you risk interrupting the upload process. Once the upload is complete, you'll get a confirmation message, and your video will appear in your list of files within Google Drive. To ensure your video is safely uploaded, you can simply navigate to its location in your Google Drive and open it. A quick click will allow you to preview the video directly within your browser. This step is a good opportunity to double-check that everything looks and sounds as expected. And there you have it. You've successfully uploaded a video to Google Drive. This simple process not only saves space on your device, but also makes it incredibly easy to share your video with others. Just right-click on the video file in your Drive, select Share, and enter the email addresses of the people you want to share it with. Keep in mind that you can adjust the sharing settings to control whether others can view, comment on, or edit the file. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you now feel confident about uploading your videos to Google Drive. Remember, this method is great for storing and organizing not just videos, but all kinds of files, ensuring they're secure and accessible whenever you need them.